HRDC डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर मराठवाडा यूनिवर्सिटी औरंगाबाद, डायरेक्टर NN बंदेला सर, co-director राफे सर, and coordinator Dr. Ram Chavan sir. Micro teaching presentation myself Dr. Pandit Khakre, HOD Department of Chemistry, MRS KSK College, Bid. My topic, micro teaching topic, chemical disaster. Introduction. A chemical disaster is the international release of one or more hazardous substance which could harm human health and the environment. Chemical hazards. Chemical accident could occur under certain circumstances. Such events include fires, explosions, leakages, or release to toxic hazardous material that can cause people illness and disability. Chemical toxic materials are stored, transport, are used. The most severe are industrial accident involving major chemical manufacturing and storage facility. Most dangerous chemical accident recorded in 1984 at the Bhopal gas tragedy in India, which more than 3,000 people had died after highly toxic vapor such that methyl isocyanate was released at a Union Carbide pesticides factory in 1990. The Chemical Safety and Hazardous Investigation Board was established. The board's mission to determine the root causes of chemical accident and uses safety. Next, from the chemical disasters may arise in number of ways. Chemical being at the care of modern industrial system has attained a very serious concern for disaster management within the government, private sector and the community. At a large, chemical disaster may be traumatic in their impacts on human being and have resulted in the casualty and also damage nature and property. The elements which are at the highest risk due to chemical disaster primarily includes the industrial plant, its employees and workers, hazardous chemical vehicles resistant and nearby settlements, adjacent buildings, occupants and surrounding community. Chemical disasters may arise in number of ways: process and safety system failure, various errors, technical errors, management errors, induced effect of the natural calamities, accident during the transportation, hazardous waste processing, disposal, terrestrial attack. And next, effects of the chemical disaster in effect. The comprehensive legal industrial framework exists in our country, a number of regulation covering the safety in the transportation heavily ensure the compensation have been enacted. The government of India has further reinforced the legal framework on chemical safety and the management of chemical accident by enacting new rules as the National Disaster Management Authority. Next, the toxic pollution. When chemicals are released into our environment and disrupt the balance of your ecosystem, threatening our health, pollution and the air we breathe and contaminating our food. There are the many sources of chemical pollution. Our technologically advance have made us a species largely reliant on chemical, and these chemicals are toxic to life and our environment. The next, from the source of chemical pollution one by one: agriculture, transportation, industries, anthropogenic activity. The main pathway for the pollutant to get into the environmental from a waste incineration facility is, as for many other sources, through emission to the atmosphere. A large number of substances have been detected, most of them a very low concentration in the gaseous and particulate emission from waste incineration. The organic compound as well as the oxides of the nitrogen, sulfur and carbon, these pollutants are the participated among the gas and the particulate phase of the stock emission from an incineration. The pollution is the introduce of constituents into the natural environment that cause adverse change. Pollution can take the form of the chemical substance or energy, such as the noise, heat and the light. Pollutants, the components of the pollution can be either foreign substance, naturally occurring contaminants, pollution. Next, pesticides. The crop plants are infected by the many diseases causing the organism called as the pest. The cause damage to crop, human and other animals, the insects, mice and other animals, unwanted plant, fungi, microorganisms such as the bacteria and viruses. The term pesticides refer to a substance or the mixture of the substance that is meant to prevent, destroy, repel or mitigate any pest. Include the insecticides, fungicides and other substances that we used to control the pest. Some example includes the cockroach sprays, insect repellents, tack, sprays and powders. These the and next, effects of pesticide pollution. The soil becomes deficient in the micronutrients. Deficiency of the carbon content in soil result in the decreases in water and nutrient holding capacity in the pesticide pollution. Increased uses of the pesticides have caused a disorder of the endocrine system, particularly the thyroid, parathyroid, pituitary glands, kidney, etc., and the effect of the pesticide pollution. And the advantages of the chemical disaster. The greatest benefit of the using the pesticide is controlling the population of the pest species. The pesticides help in eliminating the diseases vectors to the plantation in the advantages of the pollution. Application of the pesticide to crop leads to agricultural augmentation such that the plants are able to grow more healthily, as the pest can neither feed nor lay eggs on them and causes the damages. The disadvantages from the pest resistance, toxic effects of pesticide and on humans. The impact of pesticide consists of the effects of the pesticide or non-target species. Pesticides are chemical preparation used to kill fungal or animal pests. Over 98% insecticides and 95% herbicides reach a destruction other than target species. The global spread of the pesticide use, including the use of the order pesticide, the toxic, have shown great potential in the control of the harmful insects affecting human health and the agriculture use as the main biological agent. These crystals toxins may be responsible for other novel biological properties, suggesting pluripotential nature with different specificities and of the disadvantages of the human body. And the precaution, always read the label on the pesticide container and follow of the instruction while using it. And another, the pesticide should be kept out of reach of children. And next pesticide precaution, smoking should be avoided while spraying. And next, the body should be properly clothed from head to toe to avoid the exposure of the body to the harmful chemicals. Next, hands should be thoroughly washed after using the pesticides and this precaution. And thank you very much.